What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to save the Claude usage limit and how to optimize it for that you don't run out of the usage limit. So for that, I'm using the Claude code over here because that's the most useful tool that you guys use, and that's the one that consumes the credit the most. So there are a few of the tricks that you guys need to understand. First, whenever you are mentioning any specific location, for example, if I have to go ahead and pull up this document, right? So I won't actually go ahead and pull it out from tell the Claude that I have a PDF document in the download folder. Rather than I will copy the name like this one. I would say, let me just copy it, and this is uh, the location of it, this PC and download. So whenever I have to mention anything, I make sure that I am mentioning the right path, so it doesn't have to go ahead and search the whole query, which will consume more credit. And whenever your task is done, just press front slash and then press here. It will cut off all the cache memory. The documentation will be saved in the memory. Every step that you have done will be saved in the memory, but the current cache will be deleted. The reason for it is that it consumes memory out of it. So it's the best practice to clear it after every phase that you have completed or every functional step that you have completed. Moving further, you guys can select between the model. For example, if you don't have to do a bigger job, just like the Opus or the Sonnet, if you're using a generic kind of a job, and you can select between the effort rate, which is low, medium to max. The lower it goes, the lesser the credit it takes. The maximum it goes, the more the credit will take. After that, once you have assembled it, make sure that you don't overdo things like doing vague sort of a prompt. Be very specific about what you guys want and how you guys want. It will do it right away. So this is the best practice to save the usage of the credit. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care.